This video will show on-land boat handling specific to Vero Beach rowing. Crew will be moving the boat from boathouse to water to boathouse. Note most commands are two-stage commands. Know which end of the boat you are carrying, bow or stern. There is no talking to crewmates while handling a boat. There is only one voice, that of the coxswain or of the coach. In 2, up and overhead, ready up. Show heads from bow. Note alternating heads. In 2, down to shoulders, 1, 2, down. Walk outhouse. Outhouse is indicating boat movement towards the water. Way enough. In 2, overhead, 1, 2, up. Side step to slings. In 2, roll into slings, 1, 2, roll. Notice the boat skeg does not hit the sling. Hands on, left over right. In 2, up and overhead, 1, 2, up. Show heads from bow. In 2, down to shoulders. 1, 2, down to shoulders. And walk forward. No posture changes will be done while the boat is moving. Notice when the boat is on your shoulder, both hands should be on the same side. And we will stop the boat before we cross the street. 1, 2, down to waist. Place one leg under the boat to help support. This is a comfortable way to hold the boat should you need to wait for an extended period of time before crossing the street. When the road is clear of traffic, rowers will cross. In 2, up to shoulders, 1, 2, up. Rowers walk forward, with the bow rowers swinging to the right, stern rowers swinging rowers left, until the boat is perpendicular to the water, and bow rowers will stop at the top of the ramp. Stern rowers continue to swing left until the boat is perpendicular to the water. Way enough. In 2, up and overheads, 1, 2, up. Rowers walk forward. Bow swing to the left. Stern swing right. Listen for coxswain's call. Right foot to the edge. Wait for coxswain's call to roll to the water. Ready in 2. 1, 2, roll. Drop gently into the water. This is the reverse angle view. 1, 2, roll. Notice your hands stay in one place. To remove the boat, hands on the gunnel, push down and up on 2. 1, 2, down, up and overhead. All rowers walk forward. Stern swing right. Bow swing left quickly to catch up with the stern being perpendicular to the water. Walk up the ramp overhead. We would have stopped, done our positional change down to shoulders, back to the slings. Way enough. In 2, overhead, 1, 2, up. Side step left to slings. In 2, roll, 1, 2, roll. Final step in-house is hands on, right over left. In 2, up overhead, 1, 2, up overhead. Side step from the slings. And walk forward in-house.